everyone, welcome to another episode of Q&A with BA. I'm Sarah, this is Clint Hansen.
Hello.
We're here to answer your questions. Yes, we are. Today is a very special episode. 2 reasons. Reason number 1, we have a winner. Oh yes, we do. A very special fancy winner for our most recent giveaway. Yes, we do. You have to watch to the end of this episode to see who the winner is. Isn't that so fun? Sneaky. Very, very sneaky.
Very, very sneaky.
Second reason why this episode is so fun and exciting, we are answering questions today. Not 1, not 2, no, not 3, 4 questions. What? Yeah, it's true. So, super duper excited. You guys. Can we do it?
I think so. We just got to do it really, really quick.
Okay.
No screwing around here. We get through it, we got to read them clearly.
Okay.
And answer them. Okay. Maybe even rudely a little bit and be short and not, expressing or explaining.
No, we will not be rude. We have to be nice.
All right, sure.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah, let's go.
I was just smiling at them extra long to make up for any rudeness that might...
I wasn't rude yet.
We're not going to be rude.
All right.
We're not going to be rude. We're going to be super duper happy and friendly and fun. Okay, here we go. Jeffrey, take notes. Okay. Oh, I was a little mean to Jeffrey just then.
You were. Talking about being rude.
I've been...
You're all right, buddy? He just left. He's crying.
Oh, no! Jeffrey, come back! We need you!
You can hire the next one.
We have Jason Demo. Jason Demo, our new marketing manager. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Question number 1. It's from our friend, Lars.
Lars.
Hey, Lars. Love your name.
Good name.
Lars says this. Congrats, Clint!
Thanks, bud.
Exclamation mark. Quick question. What happened to the complete uppers for sale? Question mark. Are you waiting until your rails come out? Question mark. ETA? Question mark. Clint!
That's exactly what we're doing. We ran out of the rails. Well, not ran out. Well, we sold out of them. We had a good quantity before, but we really wanted to make the new complete uppers and the new BA rails. So yeah, you're gonna have to wait for that ETA. Hoping late second quarter or so, but we'll keep you updated. Keep an eye on our social media, website, these videos, all that, so you can know when they're gonna be coming exactly.
We will.
Maybe next week we'll have some 3D printed models possibly.
That's very, very exciting.
It is exciting.
Question 2
Okay.
is from our friend, Jordan Stamps. What? You guys have the best names. Jordan says, Clint, what are your thoughts on tube handguards?
They're not for me. I have seen a few in the past that are pretty cool. I know a lot of people like them. A bunch of them are pretty strong and sturdy. However, I don't like the feel of a tube rail or the look for that matter. So, if you're asking me, I don't like them. However, if it works for you, fantastic.
Third question, also from our friend Jordan Stamps. Jordan says, hey BA, would you all ever offer an upper assembly without the handguard for people that want to add their own later? I want to use our 8-inch 300 blackout barrel with a Vox silencer and a 12-inch free float. What do you think?
I think, well, for one, it doesn't really make much sense for us to charge you for something that's complete when all we're doing is taking a barrel, sticking in a receiver, when you're going to have to take the barrel out of the receiver to assemble your rail anyway. So, short answer, no. But you can buy all the parts and then go on our YouTube channel and the Builder series, and I'll help you build the whole thing right there.
Yay!
Next question.
Next and final question.
Excellent.
This question is from our friend Chattanooga Voodoo.
Chattanooga Voodoo. I like that.
Have you ever been to Chattanooga?
No, but I'm going to go there now and get that tattooed on my body somewhere.
What?
That's awesome.
That seems extreme.
I just like it.
It's very pretty though. You should definitely go for sure. This question is, currently building a 14.5-inch mid-length rifle with your 14.5-inch government barrel. Currently thinking about running it with the Superlative Arms mid-length piston system. Do you know if this setup will work with an Aero Precision Quantum handguard?
I do know. Oh, you
Share
have
with the
it?
class, yes!
He didn't ask for my answer. He just want to know if I knew.
Great.
Yeah, it'll work, man. The piston is gonna, in terms of height and from freebore to measurement for the low-profile gas block that Superlative Arms Tony Russo designed, yes, it's absolutely going to work with a standard receiver, and that barrel nut is going to line up with that perfectly as well, so you should be just fine.
That was it!
Is that it? We did it
That
already?
was it! That was 4 questions!
Hey!
You were so super fast!
You were good too!
Thanks! That was exciting.
I'm tired.
I know, me too. I need some coffee. I need a nap, some coffee, some chocolate. ASAP. Jeffrey, I need it!
That sounds like drugs in that order.
What? No.
That's like some, man, I would be speedballing like crazy if I did that to myself.
You did such a good job, Mr. Hansen.
You did too.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Guys, did you like this video? We think you did. if you did, which we know you did, click that little thumbs up. Yeah, you know the one to like the video. We're counting on you. If you want to see more videos from our channel, you should definitely subscribe. You should also click that little bell icon so that you get notified every time we post new videos. We also do Q&A videos every Thursday. What? Yeah, it's true. And if you want to see this guy answer one of your questions, make sure to comment below. We sure can't wait to see what you send us. And don't forget to keep watching so that you see who won the giveaway. What? There's so many things to be excited about today. Okay, goodbye.
We did it!
We did it! Yay! Look at us. We should get a present. Jason, can we have a present?
Of course.
Excellent.
I bet it's chocolate.
No!
Oh, maybe chocolate for me and something
You.
else for you. Veggies.
Broccoli.
Like a carrot.